Your cells are dragging, slow, full of biological junk. This is why you feel tired and unfocused. Day 4, we trigger autophagy, your body's ultimate self-cleaning system. Autophagy means self-eating. Your cells devour damaged proteins and recycle them into brand new energy. The trigger? A 16-hour fast, water and black coffee only. This forces your body out of storage and into deep repair. The result? Higher energy, mental clarity, and a massive anti-aging boost. You are building a younger version of yourself. It's the deep clean your biology craves. Subscribe to the lab now and join the reset. Stop guessing. The Day 4 blueprint in the comment gives you the exact framework to succeed.